हाँ तो अक्षत कौन सा चैप्टर है आज अपना? इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल एंड
हाँ,
कैपेसिटेंस। ठीक है,
कैपेसिटर।
हाँ ठीक है चलो। Okay, it is kind of a numerical. The distance of the field point on the equatorial plane of a small electric dipole is halved. By what factor will the electric field due to the dipole change? Should I repeat?
Yes, sure. Can you repeat?
The distance of the field point on the equatorial plane of a small electric dipole is halved. By what factor will the electric field due to the dipole change?
It will increase by 8 times.
Yes, yes, you are right. Okay. What happens to the capacitance of a capacitor when a dielectric slab is placed between its plates?
The dielectric is multiplied to the capacitance.
You are asking me?
No, I mean if the dielectric constant is K,
Okay.
then the capacitance will be increased by K times.
Yes, in capacitance will be increased and effective charge will be decreased, will be reduced.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay. The plates of a charge capacitor are connected by a voltmeter. Okay. If the plates of the capacitor are moved further apart, what will be the effect on the reading of the voltmeter?
The voltmeter will show less reading.
No, it actually
If the
reading of
capacitor is taken apart, or not?
the plates of a charged capacitor are connected by a voltmeter. Fine. If the plates of the capacitor are moved further, the plates of the capacitor are moved further apart, what will be the effect on the reading of the voltmeter?
Just a second. It will increase.
Yes, it will increase. Okay. Show mathematically that the no, sorry, not this one. If the amount of electric flux entering and leaving a closed surface are A2 and A1 and A2, fine, respectively, what is the electric charge inside the surface? Should I repeat?
The electric flux, yes, can you repeat?
If the amount of electric flux entering and leaving a closed surface are A1 and A2 respectively, what is the electric charge inside the surface?
A1 epsilon naught and A2 epsilon naught.
Okay, okay, good. Okay, two, no, sorry. Oh, wait a second. Can you define electrostatic potential at a point?
Electrostatic potential at a point.
Hmm.
It is defined as the work done required to move the charge from infinity to that point.
Okay, yes, you're right. Okay, can you define electrostatic potential energy stored in a system of charge?
Yeah, okay. I'll try. The electrostatic potential energy is the amount of work done
Mm-hmm.
to gather all charges one by one from the infinity to the point.
Okay, fine, good. Mm. Can you tell me the formula of electrostatic potential energy of two charges Q1, Q2 and R1, R2
Uh,
at R1,
the-
R2 basically?
okay, electrostatic potential energy
Mm-hmm.
is K
Mm-hmm.
or 1 by 4 epsilon naught,
Mm-hmm.
Q1, Q2,
Mm.
R1 minus R2.
Okay. What do you understand by equipotential surface?
Equipotential surface when the work done required to move a charge from that point to that point is zero. The
Uh,
whole surface, or the
okay.
potential is equal all across the surface.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Good. Okay. Can you tell me the formula for the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor with the vacuum between the plates? Basically, tell me the formula for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor.
Okay, epsilon naught A by D.
Okay. Good. Can you now? It's okay. Good. Can you tell me the weekly review of this
Okay.
month?
Let me check. I've given the test of a certain chapter in chemistry.
Okay.
I've completed the physics magnetics lectures, magnetism lectures.
Full magnetism completed.
Test is remaining.
Okay. Okay. And
metallurgy test हो गया है.
okay.
Marks 81 है.
Okay.
एंड पी ब्लॉक शुरू हो गया है मेरा.
शुरू हुआ है.
हाँ, पी ब्लॉक शुरू हो गया है. 7 लेक्चर्स हो गए मेरे.
ठीक है.
और मैथ्स में मेरा
हम्म.
मैथ्स में कितना हो गया. एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव्स हो गया मेरा.
पूरा हो गया है.
हाँ.
ओके. पी ब्लॉक के 7 लेक्चर्स हुआ है ना.
हम्म.
ठीक है. इस मंथ क्या करोगे बता दो.
अब पी ब्लॉक कंप्लीट करना है.
हम्म. ओके.
मैग्नेटिज्म एंड मैटर चैप्टर कंप्लीट करना है.
1 सेकेंड पहले फिजिक्स में बता दो क्या करोगे.
ठीक है. मैग्नेटिज्म एंड मैटर.
पूरा.
हाँ, पूरा. थोड़ा छोटा सा.
ओके.
एंड इसका टेस्ट हो जाएगा.
ठीक है.
और इसका भी टेस्ट देना है मेरे को, जो मैग्नेटिज्म अभी चैप्टर किया है. 2 टेस्ट देने हैं फिजिक्स में मुझे.
किसका टेस्ट देना है और.
मैग्नेटिज्म का जो इस हफ्ते किया था मैंने.
अच्छा उसका टेस्ट नहीं हुआ.
नहीं, अभी नहीं हुआ उसका टेस्ट.
ठीक है. हम्म.
और मैथ्स में अभी देख, तो मैं बता दूंगा आपको टेक्स्ट करके.
कब बताओगे.
अभी बता दूंगा थोड़ी देर में, सिलेबस देख के कौन सा चैप्टर है.
अच्छा ठीक है. केमिस्ट्री बता दो.
केमिस्ट्री में पी ब्लॉक कंप्लीट हो जाएगा और टेस्ट हो जाएगा.
कितने लेक्चर्स बचे हैं प्री ब्लॉक के.
11 - 5.
ठीक है. और इसका टेस्ट है ना.
हाँ.
चलो ठीक है. मुझे बता देना हाँ मैथ्स के
ठीक
बारे
है.
में. ठीक है. चलो बाय. लीव कर
बाय.
सकते हो तुम.